always like, where'd my point go? I need to make sure I have one that's right here on the end. Okay, that works out perfect. Let's see. Bringing him down. Moving him up. Okay, just like so. That's how it's going to go. So, now, I'm going to go ahead and add this, again, to the upper rail. Oops. Sometimes if my deco mesh separates, like it's a natural separation point because there's, you know, this is where the twist tie is kind of anchored. I try to go right through the deco mesh just so we can keep that coverage going. Kind of grab that, give it a couple twists, and then that's kind of how it's going. Kind of making sure. Give me a look. It's going to take me a hot minute just to get him situated the way I want him to go. So he's going to go off to the side. He's not going to be right in the center. I'm kind of tucking that down. Now let's go ahead and anchor our nutcracker. I tried to make it to where if you wanted to, you could technically take him out. And do that. We're going to figure this one out. Okay. I don't think I need any more floral wire. So I'm using floral wire and looking for good anchor points for these. Set these off to the side so they don't get lost. And I'm thinking probably right underneath his waist would be a good anchor point. I don't think I can camouflage the wire. Like if we did wire right in here, maybe we could. Let's see. I think I could get that to work. So let me take him out. Lay him down. I think the one I grabbed was the short one. Might need to go a little longer. So right under his shoulders. Gonna make sure we have good spacing back here. Just a nice little twist. So that'll take care of that point, and I can technically go right under his ankle, his apron, and go ahead and secure the bottom piece. We'll just make sure that his apron comes down low enough to cover that. So I'm going to go right under the handle, right under here. And I didn't get it as tight as I wanted. See? I needed that up. Let's see if we can keep that up. So I can put a really tight twist here. There we go. Okay. Anchor points secured. I always love it if I can find a way to hide those points. Just like so. We want to make sure his spoon stays down. So I'm going to anchor him at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and feed this down, anchoring him right to the top rail. There's one side. Here's the other. Trying to make sure he stays positioned where I want him to go. Okay, there's that. And we're going to go ahead and anchor his lower half. And I've got my rail pretty much right underneath his backside. So there's that one. Gonna maneuver the other one to the other side of the rail. Okay, come on. Why are we not finding that? There we go. Because I want to keep him even on that rail. I don't want him to move down. I don't want to roll him sideways. So he is good to go. All centered right here is how he is sitting